Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll show you how to remove superglue, adhesives and other stains using Gooff Off. If you have skin sensitivities or open wounds, then you might want to use gloves when using this product. It's also recommended that you use goggles and keep a damp cloth handy for wipe down during and after use. To open Gooff Off, place your thumbnail under the nozzle point and flip up, remembering to hold the tin upright when doing so. Now I'll use some practical examples of where Gooff Off works well. Chewing gum and superglue on carpet. Old and new chewing gum stains on carpet come out with very little effort. When removing superglue from carpet, let Gooff Off soak in. I found that some glue stains are easier to remove than others. Depending on the surface you're working on, you may have to work a bit longer, but eventually the glue does break down and lift out. Gooff Off also works effortlessly in removing adhesives like sticky labels from jars. Crayon markings on oil-based paints are also removed easily, along with scuff marks on PowerPoints and other surfaces. This product also works well on metal, glass, brick, wood and concrete surfaces, and on oil, tar, bug and road grime stains, just to name a few. I'm happy with Gooff Off and would happily recommend it for use. It's by far one of the best products I've come across for removing glue, adhesives and stains. I'll leave some links on where you can find Gooff Off and read other customer reviews. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for future reviews and how-to videos, that'd be much appreciated. Until next time, thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy cleaning.